Today's proper photography adventure takes place at Two Lights in Cape Elizabeth, Maine. I don't know if I've ever photographed this lighthouse before. It seems unlikely, but I don't remember being here to photograph it. I've been here and walked the beach, looked for sea glass. And as the name implies, there are two lights here. The one that you can see through the door here is a functional light, and there's a second light. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. Over there, that's actually a private residence, and you can't really get to it. I don't believe it functions in any way any longer. But I'm here to fly the drone. I'm about 21 minutes from sunset. It's 5:04 a.m., not nearly as early as previous proper photo adventures here this summer. So yeah, here we are, end of July. Another proper photography adventure. Thanks for joining me. I'm enjoying living after cancer. I just had a nice conversation with a guy. I saw another drone flying, and I was like, I better let him know that I'm going to be launching too, which is always just kind of courtesy and for safety to make sure that the other drone pilot knows that somebody else is getting ready to launch. But he is here for a different reason and is already gone. Done all my pre-flight checks.
The home point has been reset.
Sunrise. Drone up in the air. I know you can't see it, but time to bring it down. I got what I wanted. Got some nice video. Got some nice still shots. And it's still early, which is nice. So I'll bring it in. Okay, that was a
No
nice
GPS
little
signal.
flight. Yep,
Please
I
fly
know.
carefully.
We're disconnected. Time to shut her down.
Compass abnormality.
There we go.
Remote control and the aircraft disconnected.
Yep. I think I may get the big camera out after all. So I busted out the hat, the sun hat, and the big camera. It's a nice light. Grab a couple nice still shots of this lighthouse. Sun is up above the horizon and up above the fog bank now. Sunlight's a little bit more, the sunlight's a little more direct. It was very diffused earlier and nice. I gotta love the rocky coast of Maine. What's amazing is these giant rocks here in the foreground probably weigh several thousand pounds, and yet during storms the power of water will actually move them around. It's quite remarkable to come to a place like this after a storm and see a big rock like that that's moved. Some Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. My fave. Just trying to get a couple layers. It's warm, sun's out. Lobstermen are out. Pretty lucky I'm only 45 minutes from here. I can come here anytime I want. Ooh, I see something cool. A little reflection shot. Or as Photo Tripper likes to say, reflexion. So I'm glad I've got my treated pants on. Stupid ticks. I have to walk through and make contact with this grass. It stinks. That, as they say, is a wrap.